Hi there, I'm Jesse from Dr. PC Fix, and today we're going to be going over some of the computing devices that you'll be learning about. Firstly, we've got your system unit. This is a desktop computer, and it's going to be used for everyday computing functions. It's controlled with a mouse or a pointing device, and these are connected either with wires or wirelessly with a USB adapter. Same goes for your keyboard. This is how you'll input selections into the keyboard, into the computer. Connected to the computer, you also have speakers for audio, as well as monitor to obviously see things that are on the, what you're controlling, as well as a webcam, which you could use for transmitting video, video chats, things like that. A smaller and more mobile type of computer is going to be a laptop, and they come with the screen included, as well as the keyboard and the touchpad. And some of them are also able to flip and use the screen as a tablet, disabling the keyboard just for touch input on the screen. We also have smartphones. So this is basically a high-powered computer that fits in the palm of your hand. It can do things with wireless internet, GPS, web browsers, games. There's many, many functions of a smartphone, and they're much more powerful than the desktop computers of even 5 years ago. Smartphones are the future. You even have a little more old school, a GPS device, but most of this can be done in a smartphone now. We also have printers, and printers are going to be what you'll use for printing out documents. And they connect to a desktop or a laptop with a USB cable wirelessly, or you can even email to them. Some of them have email functions for printing as well. So we also have some other devices. Tablets, as not pictured here, but we have iPads and different types of tablets that are going to be larger, and they're used for mobile apps on the go as well. All-in-one computers have the screen and the system unit as one piece, and it sits atop the desk, and it's usually more convenient and it takes up less space, though they can be harder to repair. And they are also controlled with a mouse and keyboard, same way, usually wireless. And those are the computing devices that we're going to be learning about today. Thanks for watching.